Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. Joining us in studio today to tell us all about the Columbus Saddle Club's 4th annual Bulls and Barbecue is Jason Wells. Jason, welcome to the show. Great to have you here.
Thank you. Good morning.
Here ahead of the rain, so that's certainly helpful. And,
absolutely.
So tell me a little bit, what do you have going on here coming up?
We have our 4th annual Bulls and Barbecue event. This is a really great event that we put on this will be our 4th year doing it. It's a good fundraiser for our saddle club. That's kind of what we do this for. We do a lot of events throughout the year for local youth in our community, and this kind of helps us raise money so we can pay our utility bills and do improvements on our arena and stuff like that. So, but the Bulls and Barbecue event is going to be great. We've got a new stock contractor coming this year, Rough Stock Unlimited. They're out of Harrison, Arkansas. They are going to bring some great bulls. We've got about 30 bull rides probably. Wow. Got a little bit of entertainment as well and a great announcer. There's $1,500 added money to the pot, so that's going to bring in a lot of really good cowboys. Admission to get in is going to be $10 for adults and $7 for ages 5 to 12, and then 4 and under is free. And it will be at 7 o'clock this Saturday night.
All right, and so the good news is this Saturday night looking to be pretty good, at least on the weather side.
Yes, it's going to be warm.
Yeah, relatively warm as we head into Saturday night. So real quickly, just tell me a little bit about the Saddle Club itself. What exactly do you all do?
We do a lot of, throughout the year, youth rodeos. We host our own family rodeo series, which is just kind of a small event, timed event series for families to come do together. The kids can do it, the parents can do it. Involves a few really fun events and some goat tying and breakaway roping and barrel racing, flag race, stuff like that. Our 4-H kids get to come use our arena. They use it once a week for their 4-H horse project practice, and then we also they do their county 4-H horse show there as well in July. Anything that involves our youth and our kids, that's what we are aimed to do.
And just how important is it to be able to offer this to the kids in the community?
It's very important, and it's been a passion of mine for a long time, and I've been involved for a really long time. And you know, my daughter grew up there, and that's one of the things I love to see these kids come and have fun. It kind of gets them outdoors and away from their electronics and learn a lot about a little bit of responsibility and a lot about outdoor fun.
All right, Jason, thank you so much. So again, the 4th annual Bulls and Barbecue taking place this Saturday, May the 6th at 7 o'clock. $10 to get in. And of course, if you missed any of this, we've got all the information on our website, KOAMnewsnow.com. Jason, thanks again for coming to the show. And
thank you.
We will be back with more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.